Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Ft.Klaiyi hair. Now this company did send me 3 bundles in a frontal of their deep wave, inches 20 through 26 in a matching frontal. So right off the bat, these bundles are very full, especially after I combed them out and everything like that. And as far as the quality of the frontal, it is a light brown lace. It was already pre-plucked and the knots were very easy to bleach. So as always, I went ahead and created me a frontal wig unit with this hair. So oh, that looks very, very nice up against my skin. But anywho, I did go ahead and create a wig. So I will go ahead and jump into this tutorial quickly after I show you how this bundle look. I took a bundle out of the pack so you guys can see it and how full it is, but stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Beautiful Hustler, and before we even get started on this tutorial, I want to say that this is take 2 of this video. I recorded a whole tutorial, and before I got to the end, I just got so frustrated with the whole hairdo and I just snatched my whole wig off. So this is actually take 2. So when I'm giving you this tutorial here, the lace is already going to be cut. I just actually styled the wig on the mannequin this time because me trying to do it on my head did not turn out well at all, and it just made me really, really annoyed. So also another thing I want to say is that we have reached 22K subscribers. So thank you guys for always tuning into my channel. And if you are new to this channel and you're just seeing this video or seeing me for the first time, then go ahead and click that subscribe button. Now we're gonna get into this tutorial. Now I attempted to do a lace install with the little braid, and like I said, it was just not going well for me. I don't know if today's just not my day or what it is. So I did go ahead and snatch that wig off, and you probably can see a little bit of the separation from where my makeup is to see that I had a wig on. But it's whatever, take 2. So we're gonna try this again. So to make my job a little bit easier, I just went ahead and styled this wig, and this is a handmade wig, and I am using 3 bundles and a frontal, and all the details of this hair will be listed down below. So make sure you guys check that out, use those coupon codes and everything else. But I did go ahead, like I said, and style this wig, this handmade wig, right off camera because it just wasn't working. So I went ahead and parted it, across the frontal, and I just did 1 braid all the way across, starting my braid on my left side and just bringing it all the way to my right. Depending on how I like it without charms, maybe I will leave it plain without charms, or I might add charms, but it all depends on how I feel. But however, we're gonna go ahead and jump in this tutorial. I already had my foundation underneath. I had already got to the point of cutting baby hairs and everything, and I just got so frustrated. But I'm gonna try this thing again. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this tutorial, and it will be a glueless install. So I'm gonna go ahead and place my wig on my head, and you guys will kind of see an idea of what it's supposed to look like. I could kind of see where I was going with this look. So it was pretty much supposed to be similar to looking like this, but the baby hair is being more uniformed or whatever. But I am going to show you guys still how to actually put this wig on. Now a lot of people ask me about the type of laces that I get from these companies or whatever, but I'm gonna start off by letting you guys know with this video. This video here is this is light brown lace. Now there's a difference between light brown and transparent. Transparent lace is white, and with the transparent lace you can pretty much just put your skin tone foundation underneath that lace and it should blend in for anybody pretty much. But if you are a lighter tone or light skin like that, I would recommend that you guys use transparent lace versus the light brown lace. Now the light brown lace, which was this lace before I added my foundation and everything, but you guys should still see it in the beginning of this video of me doing the unboxing of this hair. And if you are my skin, or a dark skin color, medium brown or whatever, I would prefer that you use light brown lace because it's already brown, of course, and it's easier to just bleach the knots, and with or without foundation it should be able to melt into your skin just right. So I hope that information was useful and helpful to you all, because I do get that question a lot about what type of lace that like do I recommend for lighter skinned people. But let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. I'm not going to talk throughout this whole tutorial like I did my last videos. It's going to pretty much be how my regular tutorials always be, with me just doing a little voiceover here and there. So stay tuned. Okay, so just right off the bat, the wig is already on my head, so you know I'm going to install this Glueless using the Got To Be spray. So I'm just going to go ahead and place my wig to see, you know, just to make sure it's lined up correctly before I begin to tack it down. And then once I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my Got To Be spray, and I'm going to apply that section by section, and then blow dry the hair down in each section before I get down to the baby hairs. When blow drying the lace with that Got To Be spray, make sure you are using your fingertips to really press that lace down to make sure that it is dry. The lace has to hit that Got To Be spray in order for it to stick. Some people actually clean their hairline with alcohol before they do this step, but I never really do, honestly, because it still sticks either way. But I will actually try to see if it will stick better or hold longer if I clean my skin with alcohol first. So I will actually try that out and let you guys know. But I never like clean my hairline before I do this step. With my makeup on and everything, I just go ahead and begin to spray it down. But like I mentioned, I will give it a try and see if it makes a difference in the time that, you know, it can be worn. Like if it's, you can wear a longer length of time while cleaning, when you clean the hairline. Okay, so now that I do have this wig on and secured using the Got To Be spray, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs that I tried to do the first time or whatever. But I am going to use the Nairobi's mousse. I used to use the Got To Be gel to do all my baby hairs, but when I tried to go for like more softer looking baby hairs and doing some research, I noticed that to create the softer baby hairs they use mousse. So here we go with some mousse, and I'm going to go ahead and swoop my baby hairs, and then I'm going to tie it all down using my little wrap thingy. I do have head wraps coming out very soon, so guys, stay tuned for that. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these baby hairs together and then tie that down, and yeah, pretty much I will be done once I remove the actual band. So when I started off doing my baby hairs, I thought I was going to do one across the center and then like the swoop in each side. But I just got really annoyed once again with the baby hair in the middle. So I decided to just use that Got To Be spray and just comb that thing straight back. Like I was just over it at this point. So I'm just going to focus on the two sideburns. I mean the two baby hairs and my dips, and then the one on my sideburns. So that's why I started off with 3 to the top and just ended up with 2. Nevertheless, I'm going to go ahead and tie that down, and once I tie that down, let it dry for a little bit, I'm going to remove that scarf and then add 2 charms to the end of my hair. And this is pretty much the finishing look. This is just a quick, simple style, something to do with your curly hair if you don't really like hair too much in your face. So I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial, and thank you for watching.